In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com. Whether you're a seasoned investor or someone who's just getting started, purchasing Bitcoin can seem like a daunting task. But fear not, we're going to break it down into simple steps to make sure you feel comfortable and confident buying your cryptocurrency. First things first, you will need to navigate to the Crypto.com homepage, open your web browser and type in the address https web.crypto.com/hub/home. Hit enter and you'll find yourself on the main page of Crypto.com. This is your starting point for the process, so make sure to bookmark it for future reference. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to select Bitcoin. Scrolling through the cryptocurrency options may feel overwhelming given the sheer number of choices available, but keep your focus on Bitcoin for now. Look for the Bitcoin option, usually represented by the ticker BTC or its distinctive logo. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed. After selecting Bitcoin, it's time to make the purchase. Look for the Buy button, which is usually prominently displayed on the page. Clicking on this button signals your intent to start the buying process. Keep in mind, each time you decide to purchase cryptocurrency, you'll begin by clicking a similar button, so get used to seeing it. Now, it's crucial to consider how much Bitcoin you wish to buy. On this screen, you will be prompted to enter the amount of Bitcoin you're interested in purchasing. You can input the amount in Bitcoin itself or an equivalent monetary value depending on your preference. Take your time as you decide on the amount. Whether you're making a small purchase to test the waters or going for a larger investment, it's entirely up to you. With your amount entered, it's now time to finalize your purchase. Double check your entry to ensure you've typed the correct amount. Mistakes can occur, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. Once you're satisfied, look for that buy button again and click it. This action will seal the deal, setting your purchase into motion. And there you have it. The steps we've just covered are essential for successfully purchasing Bitcoin on Crypto.com. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is fast-paced and can be volatile. Always make sure to do your research, stay informed, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Buying Bitcoin is now a part of your toolkit, and with these steps, you're well on your way to joining the world of cryptocurrency investments. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.